This is a room tour of the Derby Suite 2254 at Plaza in downtown Vegas. And it's fair to say this suite is absolutely insane. So you come in and I mean, this is massive. So you've got almost like a living room really, not just a seating area. Desk over there. There's a toilet in here with sink. Wet bar there. It really is. Okay, we've got some water in there, 4 bottles, that's good. And this one looks onto Circuit and Plaza, look. Very nice. This is in the South Tower, which is the one, I normally stay in the North actually, which is the one over there. So it's unusual for me to stay in the South, but I'm certainly not complaining. I've always liked that canvas of how Plaza used to look. Chaise lounge. So going to there's 2 bedrooms here. So this is the first one. And some old school Plaza pictures there, or downtown pictures there. There's lots of chaise lounges if you want to kick back. I think this is just storage, is it? Okay, yeah. This aspect looks down on the strip. It's pretty cool, isn't it? Very nice. And then you've got a bath there, which again, you got obviously if you open that, you got a strip view. Bath from here, and toilet and shower there. I mean, this really is just massive. Another cool Plaza photo there. And very 70s inspired sort of mirror wall there. And then the second bedroom, well, it's a double king room really. I mean, it's, again, huge. Nuts. Another chaise lounge. I might just lie on one a day. I'm here for 5 days, so why not? More cool canvas action. Another nice shot of the strip. Windows are a bit dirty though. And a bathroom and a walk-in sort of tub stroke shower there. So this is courtesy of Aquarius Wilkinson, who's my host here at Plaza. Very grateful for him to support me and the channel in this way. It's incredible. So I think we're going to enjoy our stay here. So that is the Derby Suite at Plaza in downtown Vegas. Speak to you soon.